Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how you can register your phone on DND, that is, Do Not Disturb. Registering your number on DND helps you avoid unwanted spam calls and promotional messages. However, the downside is that you might miss important calls or messages from businesses, like bank notification or service updates, as they could get blocked too. To register your number for DND, send a SMS to 1909 saying Start 0. This will fully block all commercial calls and SMS. If you want to partially block, then you can send a SMS saying Start 1. Now, if you want to deregister your number from DND, then send a SMS to 1909 saying Stop. We hope this was helpful. In case you need more assistance, do call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you for trusting us. See you again soon.